Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your AirPods delay sound on PUBG. So guys, if you are playing PUBG and you are using your AirPods Pro and the sound is delaying while you are playing PUBG, here I will show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you have to simply disconnect your AirPods Pro for one time and then you have to reconnect your AirPods with your device again. So as once you reconnect your AirPods with your device, after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So as if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to factory reset your AirPods for one time. So as for that, simply press and hold the power button of your AirPods for 30 seconds to reset factory settings of your AirPods. So I simply press and hold this button for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPods will factory reset. And after this you have to reconnect your AirPods again with your device, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.